My name is Muhammad Fahad. My topic is amino acid, organic compound that contain both amino and carboxylic acid function group. Although over 500 amino acids exist in nature, by far the most important are the 22 alpha amino acid exist in the nature. By far the most incorporated into protein, only the 22 appear in the genetic code of life. Amino acid can be classified according to the location of the core structure, function, group, alpha, beta, gamma. Amino acid other categories relate to polarity. Amino acids are formally named by the IUPAC IUBMB about Commission or Biochemical Nomenclature, ions, terms, functions, neutral stimulation. Biochemical nomenclature in terms of the fiction's natural structure shown in the illustrate. For example, the systematic name of the alanine and the amino propanoic acid based on the formula CH3CHNS2COOH. The commercial justified. The systematic name and formula given refer to the hypothetical forms unimprinted of and carboxylic group are undissociated. This convention is useful to avoid various nomenclature problems but should not be taken for important that these structures represent an applicable. Nucleic acids are large biochemical that critical role in cell, whereas they composed of nucleotide which are monomer component, 5 carbon, sugar, a phosphate group and a nitrogenous base. The two main cases of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. If the sugar is ribose, the polymer is DNA. If the sugar is deoxyribose, a variant and store information inside and outside. They carry information in cell and make up genetic material. These acids are very common. String of nucleotides are bonded from spiraling backbone and assembled into the chain of base or base pair provide the information they give the RNA and DNA. Thank you.